In the world of project management, effective reporting is not just a nice-to-have. It's a necessity. Reports transform raw data into actionable insights, allowing project managers to track progress, identify bottlenecks, assess resource allocation, and communicate effectively with stakeholders. Wrike, a powerful project management and collaboration tool, understands this need deeply, offering robust reporting capabilities that go beyond simple task lists. As a project management expert, I can tell you that knowing how to effectively run a report in Wrike is a critical skill for any user, from a team member needing to see their workload to an executive requiring a high-level overview of portfolio health. Wrike's reporting system is designed to be flexible, allowing you to create custom reports tailored to your specific needs. Let's walk through the process of running a report in Wrike, making it easy for anyone to understand, whether you're new to the platform or looking to refine your reporting skills. The power of Wrike reports. Before diving into the how-to, it's worth appreciating why Wrike's reporting is so valuable. Real-time insights. Reports automatically update, ensuring you're always working with the most current data. No more manually compiling spreadsheets. Visibility into performance. Gain a clear view of individual, team, project, or even portfolio performance. Proactive problem solving. Quickly identify overdue tasks, overworked team members, or projects falling behind schedule, allowing you to intervene early. Informed decision-making. Data-driven reports provide the evidence needed to make strategic choices about resources, priorities, and project adjustments. Stakeholder communication. Present clear, concise, and professional reports to keep clients and executives informed without overwhelming them with detail. How to run and create a report in Wrike. A step-by-step guide. Wrike offers both pre-built templates and the ability to create custom reports from scratch. Let's focus on the latter, as it provides the most flexibility. Step 1. Navigate to the Reports section. On the left-hand sidebar of your Wrike workspace, you'll find the Reports section. Click on it. If you don't see reports, click on the More button, often represented by 3 dots or a plus icon, in the sidebar and select Reports from the list. Step 2. Choose your report type or start custom. Once in the Reports section, you'll see a collection of existing reports, if any, and options to create new ones. You'll typically see a button like Plus New Report or Custom Report. Click on this to begin building your own. Pro tip: Wrike also offers various report templates, e.g., project status, task progress, time spent. These can be great starting points if you're unsure where to begin, and you can always customize them further. Step 3. Define your report's purpose and name. A report builder will open. The first thing you should do is give your report a clear and descriptive title. This helps you and your team quickly understand its purpose later on. For example, Q3 Marketing Team Task Progress or Client X Project Budget Overview. Step 4. Select your data source. This is a crucial step. You need to tell Wrike where to pull the information from. Under the Data Source or Location section, click to select project, folder, or space. You can select specific projects, folders, or entire spaces, which contain multiple projects and folders. You can add multiple sources by clicking the plus button. This allows you to report on a single project, a group of projects, or even across an entire department's work. Step 5. Choose what you want to report on based on. Under the Based On section, you'll tell Wrike the primary item type your report should focus on. Common options include tasks and sub-items. This is most common for tracking individual pieces of work. Projects, useful for high-level project status or portfolio reporting. Time entries, essential for understanding time spent, billable hours, or comparing estimated versus actual time. Your selection here will determine what fields are available for grouping and filtering later on. Step 6. Choose your layout, visualization. How do you want your data presented? Wrike typically offers table chart, a tabular view, excellent for detailed lists of tasks, projects, or time entries. You can customize the columns displayed. Column chart/bar chart. Good for comparing values across different categories, e.g., tasks completed by each team member. Pie chart. Useful for showing proportions, e.g., percentage of tasks in each status. Note: the available chart types may vary slightly depending on your Wrike plan and the data you're reporting on. Step 7. Group your data. Group by. This step organizes your data into meaningful categories. Think about how you want to segment the information. Common groupings include assignee, to see tasks per person; status, to see tasks by their current stage, e.g., new, in progress, completed; project/folder, to group tasks by their parent project or folder; due date, to see tasks due in specific periods; custom fields. If you use custom fields in Wrike, e.g., priority level, client name, department, these are incredibly powerful for grouping your data exactly how you need it. You can often add multiple levels of grouping for more granular reports. Step 8. Filter your data. Crucial for focus. Filters are your best friend for narrowing down your report to only the information you need. This is where you remove clutter and focus on what's actionable. You can filter by almost any attribute of a task, project, or time entry. Common filters include status, show only active or overdue tasks; assignee, report on a specific team member or group; due date, show tasks due this week, next 30 days, or past due; creation date/completion date, report on work created or completed within a specific time frame. Custom fields, filter based on values in your custom fields, e.g., show only high-priority tasks or tasks for client. Workflows, filter by tasks following a specific workflow. You can apply multiple filters, and Wrike will include only items that meet all the chosen criteria. Step 9. Review and refine. As you adjust your groupings and filters, Wrike will often update the report preview in real time. Review this preview carefully. Are the columns displayed relevant? For table charts, click the gear icon to add, remove columns like created by, ID, effort, etc. Does the data make sense? Is anything missing or extraneous? Adjust your settings as needed until the report provides exactly the insights you're looking for. Step 10. Save and share your report. Once you're satisfied, click Create or Save. Wrike allows you to save reports to your personal space, only visible to you, or to a shared space, visible to all members of that space. You can also share reports with specific users, user groups, or even external collaborators, depending on your Wrike plan. Consider subscribing to reports to receive regular updates in your inbox, ensuring key stakeholders are always informed without manual effort. You can set the frequency, daily, weekly, etc.